Not only is 122 Bragg Street one roundhouse, it's actually two roundhouses plus a bonus studio space in the back. So let's go check it out. Let's kick things off here at the main house. This is the highest level on the entire property. It features 2 beds and 2 full baths. It's about 1,000 square feet with a fully equipped kitchen, a gorgeous living room, sunlight for days, and beautiful high ceilings that help make the roundhouse structure possible. If you love entertaining, this house was built with you in mind. You have a huge open living, dining, and kitchen combination space, so you'll always be connected with everyone you're entertaining. And the house flows super well, whether you're entertaining upstairs, downstairs, or both. So be cooking upstairs, grilling downstairs, or even better yet, have a crawfish boil. This flexible outdoor space connects all 3 units on the property. It's a little bit of a secret garden kind of vibe, meets a little bit of tropical, meets maybe a down the bayou kind of camp house. And it's super, super flexible. So you've got totally covered areas like this area where we are right now, and also all the exterior area where you can take in the sunlight. So whatever your needs are, you can entertain just how you like right here. And this is one of my favorite parts of the property. Underneath the main house is a utility room. Inside of there, you've got plenty of extra storage space for your yard equipment, and then also that's where your washer and dryer is located. So this is a nice flexible space for you to make it whatever you need it to be. And then next up, we're gonna head over to Unit A. Every unit at 122 Bragg has a private dedicated entrance. So we're about to head into one of the guest houses right now, and you can come on in through this gate. Unit A is a 1-bed, 1.5 bath unit that has its own private entrance, and it's about mid-height compared to the rest of the property. Sitting at about 565 square feet, this is perfect for one person or a couple, or even weekend visitors if you want to have folks come in. Now come take a look. Lastly, we have the best kept little secret. This is Unit B. It's a studio efficiency unit with a full kitchen, a spacious studio area, and a full bathroom. It's tucked away, but it still has its own entrance right down this alleyway.